Here we go. Ah, yes. There you are. But you're going to stay real still, man. Hi, how's it going? Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, good. Just keep going, just don't get scared. Just keep going, just go, 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 go. That's all you got to do. Nothing but to do it. That's all what you got to do. Nothing but what you do. That's all you got to do. Hey! Hey, Mr. Big Man, let me show you what I can do. I could go this way. But guess what? You're not going to be there, are you? Nope. I was right. Goodbye. Yes? Uh-huh. What the heck? Do not. No thanks. Oh, my God. No, you duplicated yourself. I. Mm, mm. No. Which one is it? Oh, Shisaka. Oh, please. Oh, there's a picture right there. Do not get up. Oh, lovely, lovely photo. Lovely, 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 lovely. Please, please. Oh, please. Let me just. Oh, thank you. Ah, you. Oh. Oh. Nope. Nope. I'm going. Oh, everything went green. Hey. Oh, no. Why? No. I, yes. Hello. Hi. Good to see you. Goodbye. I'm afraid to look at you. There you are. You want a piece of me? Come on, wait. Going around in circles, aren't I? What's this? Oh, wait a minute. It's like a loop. I'm looping. Am I going this way? Ah. are they flashing? Oh. Picture. I love pictures. Ooh, that's a really looking scary. Not the family, but... Oh, hello. Oh, no. Oh, no. Is this... No. Are you serious? Is this happening right now? Ah! Why? Oh, what? No. 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 It's getting closer. It's getting closer. Oh, there's a key. Do I dare open this door? Why can I? The head. The head. Look at the head. Why is it? Yeah. Okay. Keep going, man. Don't keep stopping. Oh, man. That gave me a good scare. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. What's going on? That was really mean what that thing did. Did it like a freaking spider. Oh, is everything back to normal? There's a key. Oh! Well, that's done. I played all of it. So I hope you enjoy. Leave a like, leave a comment. And I'm gonna cry my eyes out in the corner and forever that I forget to play this game ever again.